do you call a dead person?
I have no idea.
Dead! How do you not know?
A zombie, I guess?
Alright,
people, this is when
I
you...
wasn't able to change my avatar. You gotta save. What are you doing?
I'm recording it when it splits.
My booty cheeks wiggle and they jiggle.
The heck? Oh my gosh! I got that on camera.
You better delete that, bro. You better delete that. You better delete Don't delete it. Don't delete it. You better delete that.
That was the funniest stuff I've ever seen or heard, actually. Oh my
My
gosh.
booty cheeks wiggle.
I got that on camera again.
R.I.P. the Titanic, bro. I feel bad.
Huh? My nephew said my booty cheeks are flappy and what? Flappy. That's what I said. Oh.
My booty cheeks wiggle and they wiggle.
Oh, there it goes.
What are you
And
thinking?
it's going to put his butt up in the air and twerk it. Twerk it, twerk it. Twerk. Oh my gosh, that is so sad. Oh, there goes somebody on the edge.
No!
Bye! Somebody's going down.
Oh my god, bro! Oh my god!
Did you see him?
He slided down so rough. Oh my god!
She's celebrating with confetti. She's like, yay! The person died! Yay!
I'm happy for them.
Yay! Yay!
They're going to slowly sink in the water with confetti coming out of their hands.
Oh, there's other people on the boat doing confetti on top. Yay! Yay! And that was all, folks.